Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. So today I am going to show you guys another update on my city. So let's start. So I've loaded in the Craftsman 5 world. In the city I have done some major differences. Like last time you guys have seen me, like the school was not that much built, and my friend asked, can I see the world? I let him see. He did a little bit of customization which I think was unnecessary, but I just let him do it. So the school is almost complete, guys. That's a good news for me, as I don't have to build more schools, just universities. So the school is completely ready with all the rides which are brand new. And I want to show you guys something. I hope some of you remember it. So whoever remembers this, please tell me in the comments, or the others in the comments please. So this is the go-kart. I told you guys I will show how to make. If my video which I have said how to make a city in Minecraft gets 35 likes, I'll show you guys how to make this go-kart. So for those of you who haven't yet liked the video, don't think I'm flexing. Now I broke it. So you can basically sit and drive this. So this thing is supposed to be basically a steering wheel, and that was unnecessary, by the way. You actually don't need anything. You drive it like this. So this is how it goes. And in my house I have done some major differences. So I was just doing something with my thing, some pistons didn't work. So here's our old land phone type thing, and our TV. I've made something cool here. So this is a dining table. So I'll make a full video how to make a dining table, and it will be epic. So make sure to be subscribed to my channel and notified, so that when I put more epic videos you guys can see it. So this is a fully functioning dining table made out of trapdoors. I think some of you might understand how to build it. It's quite simple. I'll make a video about it very soon. So hello here, want to join us in the video, Blaze? Okay, come on, let's go, Blaze. Let's show the viewers what all we have done. Blaze, see, he teleported. That's the specialty of dogs. So in the school we have nothing, we have done nothing extra. So there is nothing much to show you guys. So let's just head over here. I have the grocery store. I think I've showed you guys that too. So let's just head to the school, and once we enter the school, before when we enter the school it was completely hollow. Now also it's not that nice. So here I'm gonna put locker rooms. I label them, put lights, and I just have to decorate them. And over here we have grade nursery and grade LKG, and outside it joins them to the park. So this is a fun new thing which I'll show you guys, which only high grades are allowed to use and not low grades. Don't think I'm a bad principal, but I let my students have a lot of fun, like supposedly jumping from here. That's not so exciting. I kept sliding. Okay, so here we have a merry-go-round. Suppose this is a swing. And here we have a swing which you can actually sit but doesn't. What's that? It's out. So you can actually sit and go through it. And one more thing I'll show you guys. The slide. That's my favorite. Second favorite, I would say. The water slide is cool and all, but my personal favorite is not that. What is it? So I'll show you guys what this thing is. So most of you guys must have seen a thumbnail where I posed it like this, and I'm sure some of you have mostly wondered what this thing is and clicked on the video. So this is basically just a fun device. So this is basically all slime proof. This is all just slime covered with carpet. I can make you guys hear the sound also. So guys, you hear that? So once we go, see that? So this is all slime. We gotta go up this ladder and climb up. Once we are here, we can't see much. We can see the high grade there. That's it. We can see them. And here, how to do it is you just jump and then you go like this, and you can come out anywhere. So now let's go to the next grade. So the steps are outside so that the higher grades can also play for some time and then come. So I'm a fun principal. Actually, lots of kids are there in my school. So here, I've not labeled it, but I've made the classroom and some of the hallways, but not completely. Just gotta finish this up really quick. It's really simple for me, guys. Anyhow, let's just quickly do it. Okay. So for those of who like me who go to school and who are watching the video right now, say like for school. Whoever goes to school, make sure to like this video and show it that you go to school. Or those of who are done with school and going to college or doing jobs, and if you have went to schools, make sure to put a like and tell that you have went to school. And for the next grade, it's this way, the staircase, and this is my best part. So here I have done all the hallways, but now divided the classes and stuff. So this is my favorite grade. So here, once we are up, this is a system which you can have fun with, and this is the way to go up so kids can have a little fun with it. They go, so they jump, they go like this, then they can play for some time, but they can't come up, they have to take the stairs. Don't call me a mean principal for that. Okay, so here, once we're up, please, be more kind to the viewer. Okay? Okay? No barking. Okay, good. Now let's go up. Upstairs there's pretty much nothing. Yeah, you just go. So I've just made the cement part. Now I have to divide the class, do this whole place, and then put lights, separate the classes. So lot of work. So the place I told my friend customized is over here. So he just did this. Seriously guys, he just did this. He's like, this would look cool, let me do this, give me your tab, and boom, here you go. So that's what he just did over here. And the other houses are not that complete. I'm thinking to build. So the first comment I get on the video, so if you guys think I should build an airport or police station, whoever comments whatever they want me to build, I'll surely build that, but only for the first 10 comments, or else it'll get a little too out of hand, and maybe I'll have to build a literal city again and even school. So please don't comment the things I've already built, and for the lucky 10 people, I'll even show it in my next video if I can, that I have built all of the things which the other 10 people have built. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and be notified to me. So thanks for watching, and bye guys.